In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a page from a PDF in iLove PDF. First, let's begin by opening iLove PDF. You can do this by entering the website address in your browser. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface. This step is crucial because it leads you to the tools you will need for editing. As an online platform, iLove PDF is accessible from anywhere and on any device. You can use it on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. This flexibility is incredibly useful for anyone needing to work on PDFs while on the go. Next, select the option to organize PDF, or you might see an alternative labeled Remove Pages. This option is typically prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Clicking on this option is an important step as it directs you to the specific tools for manipulating your PDF pages. Once you select this, the screen will change to show you the next steps you need to follow. This organized layout ensures that you won't get lost in the process, keeping everything straightforward. Now upload your PDF file. You will see an upload button that allows you to browse your files. Click this button to select the PDF document from your computer or device. After you choose your file, it will begin to upload. This is a critical moment because uploading your document is how you bring your PDF into the Imo with workspace. Make sure your file is the correct one, as this will be the document you'll be editing. After the upload is complete, wait for the page thumbnails to appear. You will see a preview of each page in your document displayed as small images. This visual representation is helpful because it allows you to quickly identify which pages you want to remove. If your document has many pages, you can scroll through to find the specific page you wish to delete. This feature makes the editing process much more intuitive and efficient. Next, click the page you want to remove. By selecting the thumbnail of the page, you indicate that this is the page you want to delete from your PDF. This action is significant because it allows you to focus only on what you need to change in your document. Once you click on the page, it will usually be highlighted, giving you a clear indication that it is selected. From there, click the delete or trash icon, or you may choose to mark the page for removal. This icon is typically located near the selected page and is easily identifiable. By clicking this icon, you are confirming your intention to remove the selected page. This step is important because it ensures you are making a deliberate choice about what content to keep in your document. Now click on Organize PDF or Remove Pages to finalize your changes. This button is usually found near the bottom of the screen. When you click it, the platform will process your request and prepare the updated PDF. This action is essential because it signals the software to apply all the edits you have made. After this step, you can expect to see a confirmation of the changes made, reassuring you that everything is in order. Finally, download the updated PDF. A button will appear for you to click and save your newly edited document to your device. This is the last step, and it is important because it allows you to keep the changes you have made. Once downloaded, you can open the PDF on your device to review the edits. Now you are ready to use your updated document as needed. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.